Well, tonight it's all about the Benjamins, and we've got our second Benjamin calling from Macon tonight. You still holding for us, Benjamin? Benjamin, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
right.
ma'am. I'm here.
Great. Go ahead with your question for us.
The question I have, I had an accident. Well, a deer hit my truck, and I called the insurance company. The insurance company, they took care of everything in full. That was about 3 months ago. Now I'm starting to notice that the work that they did, the insurance company, well, the repair shop, they didn't do a good job. And I took my truck back up there to them, and they were trying to tell me that it looks like somebody had hit my truck, but nobody has hit my truck. I don't know whether I need to contact an attorney or call my insurance company to report that they didn't do a good job on my truck.
Marty?
Sounds like
I think a good starting point would be to call the insurance company and tell them what the repair shop's saying. You know, the insurance company paid the repair shop to make those changes, so you know they may help you with that, may help you fight them and try to get your car fixed. You know, if you signed a release once you got it repaired, you might not get as much help from the insurance company because they may want to wash their hands from it. And at that time, you may have to get an attorney, get somebody involved. You know, you're going to have to probably get somebody else to look at it, an independent party, so you can have some evidence about what is wrong or if that work wasn't done like it should have been. So you may want to do two things to start. You may want to call the insurance company and let them know, and you may also want to take it to another repair shop and get a second opinion, get them to give you a written estimate about what they think wasn't done correctly. And I think that'd probably be a good place to start with that.
Yeah, and a lot of it's going to depend upon whether that insurance company, like a lot of them, they have what is an approved repair shop, and if they may require you to go to their repair shop, and if you do, then that insurance company is going to have to take care of it. If you went to the repair shop of your choosing, then that's going to be between you and that repair shop.